Welcome to our video series on JavaScript coding challenges. In this series, we will be solving 30 JavaScript coding challenges that are frequently asked in interviews. These challenges will cover arrays, objects, and strings, and will help you sharpen your JavaScript skills. Whether you are an experienced developer looking to enhance your problem-solving abilities or a beginner starting your journey in programming, these solutions are tailored for you. So, let's dive in. In this series, we will cover a wide range of topics, from basic array manipulations to complex object operations. So, let's get started with our first category, arrays. Reverse an array. We'll show you how to reverse the order of elements in an array using various techniques. Find the maximum number in an array. Learn how to find the largest number present in an array using efficient algorithms. Calculate the sum of all numbers in an array. We'll explore different methods to calculate the sum of all elements in an array. Remove duplicates from an array. Discover different approaches to remove duplicate elements from an array effectively. Implement a custom sorting algorithm for an array. Dive into the world of sorting algorithms and implement your own for an array. Find the intersection of two arrays. Learn how to find the common elements between two arrays. Rotate an array to the right by a specific number of positions. Explore techniques to rotate the elements of an array by a given number of positions. Find the largest contiguous subarray sum. Discover how to find the maximal sum of a contiguous subarray within a given array. Check if an array is a palindrome. Implement a function to check if an array is a palindrome, reading the same backward as forward. Implement a function to shuffle an array. Learn how to randomly shuffle the elements of an array. Voiceover, great job on completing the array challenges. Now, let's move on to the next category, objects. Merge two objects into one. Combine two objects while preserving their properties and values. Deeply clone an object. Create a deep copy of an object, including its nested properties. Serialize and deserialize JSON objects. Learn how to convert objects to JSON strings and vice versa. Check if two objects are equal. Deep comparison. Develop a function to compare the quality of two objects, considering their nested properties. Transform an array of objects into an object with key-value pairs. Convert an array of objects into a single merged object with key-value pairs. Create a class and demonstrate inheritance. Explore the concept of classes and inheritance through practical implementation in JavaScript. Iterate over the properties of an object. Learn different methods to iterate over an object's properties and perform operations. Filter an object to include specific key-value pairs based on a condition. Filter an object to retrieve specific key-value pairs based on a given condition. Sort an array of objects based on a specific property. Gain insights into sorting techniques and apply them to sort an array of objects. Simulate private members in JavaScript objects. Discover techniques to create private members in JavaScript objects. Let's move on to our final category, strings. Reverse a string. Learn various methods to reverse a string using JavaScript. Check if a string is a palindrome. Implement a function to check if a string is a palindrome, reading the same backward as forward. Check if two strings are anagrams of each other. Develop an algorithm to determine whether two strings are anagrams. Compress a string by counting consecutive characters. Learn how to compress a string by replacing consecutive characters with their count. Capitalize the first letter of each word in a sentence. Apply JavaScript techniques to capitalize the first letter of each word in a sentence. Determine if one string is a rotation of another. Check if a string can be obtained by rotating another string. Generate all permutations of a string. Explore methods to generate all possible permutations of a given string. Truncate a string to a specified length and add ellipses if necessary. Cut a string to a specified length and add an ellipsis to indicate truncation. Validate if a string contains only valid characters, for example, alphanumeric. Implement a function to validate whether a string consists of valid characters. Count the number of occurrences of a substring in a larger string. Learn how to count the occurrences of a substring within a larger string. We hope you found these JavaScript coding challenges beneficial. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember, the only way to improve your coding skills is through practice and dedication. We'll see you soon with more exciting coding challenges. Happy coding!